Hi guys, welcome back
Learn
to
and watch
another
how to
teaching.
use this app
Normally, you are not supposed to
to
joke with
edit
our teaching
your
class because I
videos.
dey give una free
Try
of
watch
charge.
it to the
The
end.
knowledge or the
Thank
little
you.
ideas that I know that I'm teaching now, I paid to join a class and I was happy to be in this class because I learned and I met some good friends. Okay, in today's teaching, I'll be teaching you how you can do editing using your voice. You don't want to show your face on the camera. Maybe you are camera shy. You don't want to always be on camera, but you want to do blogging job. You just want to do blogging job, just do voiceover on your videos. You don't want to show your face, like you don't have the courage to always sit at the camera like this and talk. You just want to do blogging. This video is for you. So today I will teach you how you can edit a perfect video, a perfect vlog video with voiceover. Hey guys, today we are editing with CapCut. You know, yesterday I made a video with InShot. So today we are going to be editing with CapCut. CapCut and InShot, which one is the best app? I think the both of them are nice, but I love settings of CapCut. CapCut is always unique when you are editing, and it's also very simple, more than InShot. As a beginner, it's very simple. So let's go down to the teaching. So now you open your app, open the CapCut, I'm sorry. Okay, so you open your app. Now we are on CapCut. You want to create a new project. What you have to do is press new project. So once you press your new project, so it will take you to your gallery. You want to use videos, you can press video. If you want to use pictures, I'm sorry, if you want to use video, you press video. If you want to use pictures, you press pictures. So now we are going to use pictures because what you want to do is voiceover. You can also use videos for voiceover, but today I'll be teaching you with pictures. Maybe in our next class I will teach you with videos. So this is it. Now let's take any pictures of our choice. Let's go. Let me take these beautiful pictures of Queen May. Now this is Queen May on our screen. What will you do next? Press add. You just click add. So once you add, I'm sorry, this is not what we took. So we are going to go back. Okay, let's use this. It's also picture. So you've already added this picture of Judy Austin in the screen. So what you will do now, you can see this is six seconds. This video is too short. It's 6 seconds. You normally have to edit your video from 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. 3 minutes is the best. So what will you do next? Now just touch, just as I showed you yesterday in InShot. Just take it from here, extend it, be extending it. As you are scrolling this bar, it's taking you, the videos are increasing. You extend it. Let's extend it to 1 minute. You'll be looking at your screen here how long it is now. Now our video is 1 minute 9 seconds. So we are going to come back to the video. So now the next thing for you to do, click your video just like this, then come to these bars here. Or you scroll, be scrolling. The first step we are going to go is ratio. So when you open your ratio, in ratio you change the size of the videos. So you click your ratio, then you see sizes. Do you want TikTok size? No, we are not editing for TikTok. I normally use this one with Instagram logo. It's not that I'm editing for Instagram, but 1.1 is very unique. It makes you have space for your editing. It makes you have space where you can add other pictures. So I'll just click 1.1. You see the video just reduce itself. So after I click 1.1, I just mark good. So what is the next thing to do? Come to canvas, this place. So click your canvas, and this place you will change the background of the video, which is white. I normally love using background. Once you want to change background, come to color. Okay, click color just like this, and you see colors that you want to use. I click white because I love using white. So after changing the background color, mark good. So what is the next step? Use this arrow to go back. So now you are back to the bars, the bars of the InShot. So what you have to do next is, I don't want this Judy Austin's background to be here. I want to change the background. So now you click the video, you click the picture on the screen, come here, scroll, come here and see cut out. Just click cut out. Then click remove background. Very simple. Remove background. Ta-da! You can see the background of Judy Austin is out. If you want Judy Austin to be like this, it's good. But you will not leave it like this because you will need space to add other pictures. So all you have to do is just touch the picture and reduce it. Reduce it. You can bring her here. Keep reducing if you need more space. It depends on how many pictures you want to put. So after doing it, you want to add other pictures. So come here, use this logo to use this arrow to go back. So you are back to the CapCut. So what you have to do again, for you to add other pictures or videos, whatever you want to add to this editing, you have to come here, overlay. You see, overlay. Just click your overlay, then you will see add overlay. Add overlay simply means add picture or add videos. So just click plus. It will also bring you back to your gallery. So you can press videos or you can press photos. Because I want to use photos to teach you this, what I have to do is I will have to add more photos. Let's click this photo. Okay, I click this photo. Then I put ads. The picture is already there. So now you have to take this picture well so that it will not block Judy Austin. You just reduce it like this, bring it here. So you do the same thing just as you did in Judy Austin. You don't want the background of Queen May to be there. Just go back here, cut out, press cut out. So once you press cut out, go to the background and do remove. So automatically it's gone. So I'm going to add. As you are adding it like this, you have to also take this line and draw it to the ending. If you want it to be to the ending of the video, just extend it till it got to the place you want it to be. Just the same thing as you did in the other one. So come back. Let me add one more pictures before I show you how to do your recording. So the same way, just press here, marked good, and use the arrow to go back. Sorry. You use the arrow to go back. Yes, it's back. So you want to add another overlay. Okay, sorry, we add another one. So let's take this picture of Judy Austin and add. So once you add it, you bring it like this and bring it here. You can take this one up a little bit also. Then the same way we did it, you scroll here, you press cut out, remove background, and the background is out. So it depends. You can add other pictures or videos at the background to make your screen however you want to make your editing. That's all. So now let's go back. Use the arrow also to go back. Use the arrow to go back. Now this is where you are going to do your recording. So how will you do your recording? Use this arrow. This is audio with a music sign. It's always in every app. It's in InShot, it's in CapCut, it's in Vidmate, a lot of apps that you can use to edit. It's always there. So use this app. Use this symbol of music. Just click audio. In other app, you can see music, you can see sound, but they always have these symbols of music. So once you click it, you can see sound. Sound means you want to take sound from your phone to the video or from anywhere. But here is voice over. Just click here and click good. It counts 1 to 3, then it starts. So now your voiceover have started. So you keep saying what you want to say till the end of the video. That's all. So once you got it, then once you are done talking to the end of the video, you press so, then it's okay. This is very simple how to edit, on how to get it. It's very, very simple.